Morning everyone. Today I'm going to have eggs for breakfast, and in this video I'm going to share with you one of the tools that I've gotten from Daiso that help you to make perfect half-boiled egg, and that is this little thing here. As you can see, in the half-boiled egg, in this egg, there is this three layer thing here. It's written soft. Okay, the focus is not very good. It's written soft, medium, and hard. Okay, so they are all pink in color, and I just need to place in the pot together with my egg. And when the soft area turn into white color, then it is a soft boiled egg. And if it's medium part turn into white color, then it's a medium well done egg or whatever you call it. Okay, and if you want it like full boil or hard boil, I don't think you need to use this. You just need to boil for 5 minutes, then I think it will be done. I'm going to show you how perfect the egg will be when it comes out. Okay, the water is already boiling, so I just need to off this thing. First thing I'm going to put in is this fake egg. I'm going to put 2 of my eggs into it. Perfect. I like my egg to be quite runny in terms of the egg yolk, so I usually wait until the soft part to turn white, then I will remove it from the pot, and I'll just let the egg stay for around 1 or 2 more minutes, because the heat will continue to cook the egg inside even though it's out of the hot water already. Okay, as you can see, the part where it indicates soft is turning completely white now. I think I can take it out. I will use the residual heat to continue to cook the egg a little more. So I'll just leave it like this for another one more minute or so. The moment is here and I'm a bit anxious. Actually, I'm quite confident that it will come out perfect. But because I'm making a video, so I must make sure that it really is perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at it. Okay, look at it. Look at this. Oops. Oops. Look at how perfect this soft boiled egg is. Just like the one you have it in Old Town or Toast Box, those kind, okay? So I'm just going to add my favorite soy sauce and some pepper. That's it. I'm going to enjoy my breakfast now. I'm just having 2 eggs and a cup of coffee with some biscuits. So if you want to know more on any tips and tricks in the kitchen and also cooking tips, okay, although I'm not a chef or cook, but I cook regularly, do subscribe to my channel. From time to time, I will share some of the cooking tips or tricks or stuff I bought that helped me in making my food the way I want it to be. That's all for now. I will see you in my next video. My dog.